dolls! It is the first day of 2 days that we're going to New York, and we are driving to the hotel right now. The really cool thing about the hotel that we're going to is it actually does like a collab with like American Girl, so I get like a little hotel bed and I think pajamas. I'm going to show you guys, obviously. We are going to go to FAO Schwartz because, as you know, I love toys and plushies, and I'm thinking about going to either Build-A-Bear or Jellycat or both, or just like everything, and I'll show you. I'm gonna go to the AG place for my birthday, and my boyfriend's here, and he took me, so I'm excited. It's gonna be awesome. I think it's gonna be really special. It's gonna be so fun. Enjoy the ride. Did my nails in the car just now. It was disastrous, and I lost a nail. I made to pull over, but made it, and I did it. Okay, we are literally in the heart of New York City right now, and I will show you when we're at the hotel because it's a lot of walking, so meh. Okay, so we made it to the hotel. This is it. We're here. Holy heckin' heck. Bed, robe, gummy bears, oh my god. But yeah, oh my god, this is the stuff. So obviously have to have Courtney on to open the bed. Here it is all set up. I love the polka dot blanket and the pillow. It is perfect, absolutely perfect. My boyfriend is the best. He set up this little corner so Sam has her own window view in her own little room for the night. I packed her suitcase, so she does have her bunny with her, and he will stay right there. Are we done? So we're at FAO Schwartz now, and I got Lisa home. She's so stinking cute.
I think so.
But I also like it. The music boxes. Oh my, so cute.
Happy birthday to you.
The big AG bag, because I got a lot of goodies, so I'm gonna unbox them all for you. First, I had to get Coconut Sun coconut chip. Of course, he is a babe. Raquel Reyes beach outfit. Naturally had to get it because the pattern on it's precious. The big kahuna of it all. Raquel, she is such a cutie. I had to get Girl of the Year 2026. I can't wait to show you guys everything. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. They do hats the best. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Love. It's so cute. Raquel time. It has been a while since Christmas, since I opened a doll. So that is a long time for me. But she's so cute. Her book, adorable. So cute. I love the art on it. She is so adorable. I'm going to get her out of the box. And she kind of already fell out, but that's fine. Here she is. Oh my goodness. This is the best part. Is it good?
Yeah.
We rolling?
Mm-hmm.
This is the best part of getting a new doll. Everyone knows it. Oh my gosh, her hair's so pretty. She's so pretty. I love her. She's the cutest little dolly in the world, and her shoes are killing me. I love it. 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 Thank you for the awesome trip.
Of course.